Hi, Dr. Miller here with Center for Vein Restoration. Here's the question of the month. Do we see varicose veins in men? And what do we do about it? A little statistic. About 25 to 30% of patients with varicose veins are male patients. In our office, close to 20% of the patients that we treat are men. That little difference probably has to do with the fact that we as men have a tendency to drag this issue a little longer than women before consulting. Now, do we treat all patients with varicose veins? In general, varicose veins that do not cause symptoms such as aching, throbbing, itching, swelling are left untreated. However, we strongly recommend the use of compression stockings on a preventative basis. There are some exceptions to this rule. Okay, part 2.